Hey, how are you? How would you respond to that? How are you is one of the most common questions you'll be asked in English. It's a simple greeting just to ask how you are doing. But how do you answer that? Well, it depends. If you're always saying, I'm fine, thank you, then you're not alone. It's polite, but honestly, most native speakers rarely say that. Sometimes it's a bit too formal. So let's help you sound way more natural when responding to how are you. Number one, I'm good. This is probably the most common reply. It's simple and friendly. Sometimes people just say it as a natural response, even if they don't feel so good. For example, how are you? I'm good. You can also add, thanks. How about you? Number two, I'm okay or I'm all right. Both of these are neutral. Not good, not bad, just okay. For example, how are you? Oh, I'm okay. I'm all right. Just a bit tired. You can use this when your day is just a bit average. Number three, can't complain. This one is polite and kind of humble. For example, how's life? Oh, can't complain. It means everything's okay. Even if it's not perfect, you're not going to complain about it. Okay, number four. Never been better. This one is very positive and kind of dramatic in a fun way. For example, how are you? Oh, never been better. Use this when you're feeling really, really great. All right, number five. I'm doing great. This is another upbeat one. So you can say it in a cheerful way and in an upbeat energy. For example, how are things? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Maybe something good happened recently. You got a promotion at work, or you got some good grades at school, or maybe you just learned something new while watching English with Lucia. Okay. Number six, I'm hanging in there. This is what you say when you're tired, stressed, or maybe just surviving. For example, how's your week going? Oh, I'm hanging in there. It's honest and still positive because you're getting through it. But keep in mind, some people might ask you what's wrong or are you okay? So be prepared to answer that. Number seven, I'm doing well. Thanks. This is polite and a little bit formal. So you could say this in a work setting or maybe in an email as well. Okay, number eight. Not too bad. This is a casual way to say things are going okay. For example, how are you doing? Oh, not too bad, thanks. It's kind of like saying I'm all right. So very relaxed and friendly. Number nine, I'm solid. This one is a little bit more American and slangy. So for example, how are you? I'm solid. Thanks. That means you're doing well, stable, strong, and all good. So say it with confidence. All right. Last but least. That's what people say. All right. Last one. Number 10. Living the dream. This one is fun and often sarcastic. So for example, and this is the more sarcastic example, someone might say, how's work? Oh, you know, living the dream. So it can mean you're living your dream, or it can be a little bit sarcastic. So you can use this seriously or jokingly, depending on the situation. Okay, here's a quick recap. Here are 11 real life answers you can use instead of I'm fine. I'm good, I'm okay, I'm all right, can't complain, never been better, I'm doing great, I'm hanging in there, I'm doing well, thanks, not too bad, I'm solid, and living the dream. These are all super common and they sound much more natural than I'm fine, thanks. Practice saying them out loud, or even better, write them in the comments below. I'll reply and I'll tell you how it sounds. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe, and check the description below for more private classes with me. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep living the dream and stay solid.